Hello and welcome to Road to Detailing. Here I am with another wheel cleaning video, but this time I'm going to do something different than I would normally do. Long story short, just forget everything you ever thought about wheel cleaning before, because in this video I'm going to use a spray-on rinse-off wheel cleaner. That sounds weird, right? But imagine a wheel cleaning without agitation, scrub, just spray on and rinse off, job done. My first thought was probably the same as yours at this time, like hold on for a second, it can be possible to achieve a decent outcome with a method like this. With that being said, that's exactly what I'm gonna do right after the intro, so you can see the application process with the final result, because literally nothing much happens from the user side between them. However, I was struggling with the trigger head during the application process, but let's talk about this and my overall thought right after you have seen things in action. I thought everything is settled to go, but right after I started to spray on the product, the trigger head was about to give up the party. Luckily, I could fix it within 2 minutes and was happy to roll on. During the dwelling time, I took a closer look of that how much product I have used so far, and we'll get into deeper details soon. It's hard to ignore those furs on the finish, right? I know they look pretty bad, but this situation is great for future video. Now let's move on and continue with my overall thoughts and start with user experience. As you could see, I had some problems with the trigger head came with this sample size bottle, which was very annoying, although it could be only mine, so it's important to let you know that the one I've used in the video is different than Poorboy's offers on their regular size bottle, so it doesn't make too much of a sense to complain about this one. Although, I will definitely use a different kind of bottle and trigger head in the future, because I really like the one which comes with their original bottles, and I have just realized I have a spare bottle from them because I recently run out from Poorboy strip down, so that's gonna be sorted then. Other than that, the application was pretty much straightforward. The product smells just fine, although it is a very strong formula, so if you have decided to go ahead and use this product, I would recommend to be in a well-ventilated area, ideally outside. Move on to the cleaning power. I personally think the result is pretty satisfying, although not perfect, but considering the effort I had to put into the cleaning process, I can't argue with the outcome. Seems to be a pretty strong wheel cleaner it is. Poorboys claims it as a powerful citrus wheel cleaner, which is strong enough to remove brake dust and road grime without any agitation. The wheel I was using the product on hasn't been washed since 3 to 4 weeks and has been reasonably filthy, but I have a set of wheels which has been sitting outside since 2.5 years now without any wash, and that would be interesting to see that how well or not well would this product perform in those circumstances, but that's going to happen in a good comparison video. Next up is price or value for money. This is a very difficult topic to form a correct opinion about, because at the end of the day, every one of us is going to judge this factor individually. So let's see what I have experienced so far. I used around 10 to 50 milliliter product on one wheel, so that means it could be 40 to 60 milliliter product on all 4 wheels. So stick at the middle, which is 50 milliliter. The retail price of a 946 milliliter bottle is approximately 17 pounds. That means each wash with 4 wheels covered would cost just as around £1. Please keep that in mind. The amount of product I used could be different than someone else would use depending on the state of the wheels, I assume. I have seen on one of the resellers' website that the product could be diluted up to 1:1 for maintenance washes, which makes sense in regards to the strength of the product, and in that case we are talking about only 50p per wash. Is this the cheapest option on the market? Probably not, but the usage style of this spray and rinse of wheel cleaner is different than others on the market. Do I recommend this product? The short answer, yes I do. Will I use it regularly? Probably won't, and the reason is very simple. I just like to do a more thorough wheel cleaning, like get into those puddles, put some brushes in the wheel nuts and things like that. Although, if I would be in a rushy situation or in a lazy mood, I wouldn't hesitate too long to grab the bottle, because it does the job well. But as always, let me know what you think about this spray and rinse wheel cleaner down below in the comment section. If you have made it this far, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, likes are free, so give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to the channel by hitting that red button under this video if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell to never miss on my weekly uploads. All your support helps the channel growing and is much appreciated. Thanks for being here, thanks for watching, take care, and see you soon.